Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now, in the previous video, we showed you how to create a model using technical drawings, actually this one, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a drawing file just like this one using a model we previously created. So first, let's just open our model exercise 3 part. And let's just click on File and make Drawing from Part. Now let's choose our standard sheet size, click OK. And let's just add these 3 views. So this front view and one side of wheel and the other one. Okay. Click OK. Great. Now the difference is, okay, let's just first close our file, we don't need that. So the difference is that these are bigger, right? So let's just zoom in a bit, go down, go to the right, and see scale is 1 to 1, and here we have 1 to 2. So let's just change that. And let's change units to inches. Now the next thing we want to change before we begin adding all these annotations is our decimal spaces or values that we have. So go to Options and go to Document Properties, Dimensions, and just change our precision to 3 decimal values. Okay, now let's just create this section view. So in order to do that, to make it neater, let's just move this to the left and these more to the right and a bit down, so we have more space up. So go to View Layout, click on Section View and select this auxiliary view. Okay, now let's just zoom in and click here. Now we can move our plane, and we want it to be coincident with this point here. Let's just zoom out and right click there. And let's create our section view. Great. Click OK. Now let's just add this isometric view. So let's click here, go to projected view, drag it there, and let's just change scale. So click on this view and click on Use Custom Scale and just choose this. So now let's just move this here. Great. Now let's just zoom in a bit, and first let's add annotations to this view. So first let's create this center line, and like that, and let's just add these 2 dimensions, or annotations. So this one, okay, 0.29, yeah, and the second one is 0.58. That's great. Click OK. And now let's add this one, and as you can see, it has geometrical tolerance, so we should add that as well. So first let's just go to annotations and create this, click OK, and now let's just choose here symmetric tolerance of 0.002 inches. Click OK. Now let's add these 3 dimensions here, and basically that's it for this view. So this one, let's add this 0.17, okay, and this one, let's add this tolerance, so click on bilateral, and let's just type in 0.015. Okay, so we're done with that. Now let's go to this view, let's move to the left and just add first this diameter and this tolerance as well. So click here, just drag it there. Great. Minus 0.01. So click here, bilateral, and type it in. Now let's add this dimension here and this fillet. So click on this fillet, click there, and let's just add this one as well. Great. Now the next thing we want to add is this inside corner. So let's just click here, drag it outside, and in order to add this extra text, you can just click on your annotation and go here and just type in inside corners. Okay, now let's add this one as well, so 4 times like this. So click here, and before our dimension just add 4 times. Great. And let's add these two here as well. So in order to add these, we should, because when you select 2 circles, it gives measure between their centers or semicircles. So let's just add 2 points here, 1 point there and 1 point there, and let's just now add dimension between them. So this, and let's click OK. Okay, and just type this. Okay, let's add another one. So this one, can the same thing, and let's just add this. Okay, nice. Now all that's left to add is for this hole, and now we will use this tool called hole callout. So we click on here and we click on a hole. So we wait for a while, and well, we get this data. Wait, oh yeah, we'll add that on this side. We just need this hole. So let's just, oh sorry, let's just click on hole callout and click there, drag it outside, click OK. So we're done with that view. Let's go to our section view. So we have only these 2 annotations, so this should be quick. Okay, so 1, and let's just click on datum tag now, datum feature, and add it there. Okay, great. And we need to change hatch, as you can see. So because we don't have really nice hatch there, so let's just click on hatch, and now just click on our let's just click on hatch, change this to 45 degrees maybe. Okay, like that. Click OK. Great. Now we go to this view, and let's see, we need to add these first. So let's go to smart dimensioning, and okay, this should be okay. let's just add this text. So it's quite simple actually to add these and this one as well. Great. Let's add these two. So click there, click there. Great. These two. Now all that's left to add is this dimension here and actually to define this hole. So let's click here and let's click there. We get that 1.485. Okay, so let's just open our part really quick and edit this to have 1.461, right? Control 8. Was that 1.461? 1.461. Oh, I get it. Let's just click here, click there, make them vertical. And let's just save this. Now this is okay, great. And let's just use hole callout. Click on our hole and just drag it out. And that's the way you create your technical drawings. Okay, now all we need to do is to click on save and save it as exercise 3 part SolidWorks drawing. So click save and exit our file.